Hanukkah, oh Hanukkah, come light the menorah. Let's have a party, we'll all dance the hora. Gather round the table, we'll give you a treat. The people mean to play with the laughter sweet. And while we are playing, the candles are burning low. One for each night they shed a sweet light to remind us of days long ago. Hanukkah, oh Hanukkah, come light the menorah. Let's have a party, we'll all dance the hora. Gather round the table, we'll give you a treat. So people mean to play with the lots of sweet. And while we are playing, the candles are burning low. One for each night they shed a sweet light to remind us of days long ago. One for each night they shed a sweet light to remind us of days long ago. Hey!
Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, the real, official, authentic, original, one and only the guy from Pittsburgh. And yes, it's Hanukkah time. Now I would show you my menorah, but Fluffy the cat knocked it down. I don't even know where it is right now. Where the candles are, they're in the closet. Tomorrow is Hanukkah. So I bought myself a present for Hanukkah. And this is Burgh unboxing, and all the Christmas cards fell down because the weight was too much. So I'm going to have to do something with that, or maybe next year. Put a wire up here or something. So I got one Christmas card from Lucky Pharaoh. All right, this comes from Fly Spray Art, which is a strange name for company, Lexington, Kentucky. So I bought this a while back. Open it up, and it has a bag, but it is a box. And you know I have all the alien heads behind me. Well, there's a reason why I bought this item. And that is because with all the alien heads, I had to have the right coffee cup for the right job. So I got the Alien Ceramic 3D Area 51 mug. And I can't read the writing on here, it's too small. Let me see here. Oh, I have a flashlight. Okay. I can... Quality ceramic glove, removable balaclava. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. Might become your favorite cup, and they spell it in the English spelling Favorite. So let's open this thing up. All right, here we go. Move. That was Hanukkah, by the way, by the Jingle Punks. Hanukkah is tomorrow. No Hanukkah guilt for me. No latkes. I would love to have some potato pancakes right about now. It is very cold here in Martinez. I've got socks on them and cold all morning. Excuse me. Stayed up to post the Christmas decoration videos, which many did not watch. They like cat videos. All right, here we go. This is the alien coffee mug. He'll be looking at you out there. They say things are fly. I think he's very fly. So I will try this. Does not say microwave ready, so I don't know if I even want to use this, but it is kind of cool. So there he is, the Fly Spray Alien Area 51 coffee mug. So he will be sitting here with his brethren, the other alien heads right now, the alien head coffee cup. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. And I hope you're warmer than I am, because it was 67 degrees and I woke up this morning. It's gone to the heat wave conditions here of 70. And it is very foggy and very overcast out there. No rain yet. We're going to get rain tomorrow, rain Monday. I was going to go to San Francisco. I may have to do it on Monday. I'm not doing it today. I'm going to go to Walmart in about 2 hours. I'm going to go back in the bed. Even Fluffy was lying on top of me trying to get warm. He normally sits in his kitty bed. And the UPS guy knocked on the door and Fluffy panicked as usual. So Alien Head says bye-bye. And I say bye-bye too. Have a great day and stay warm out there. And the Steelers just announced no injuries, so that's good news for Steelers fans. Bye-bye for now.